Hey, I'm back. We're back at the blacksmith. Today we're going to be making armor. I have no idea what that entails, but hopefully it's going to be an experience. This looks bad. Looks like it burned down. Did it look like this last time? I don't think it looked like this last time. That's worrying. Maybe I can fix that somehow. Welcome to the town blacksmith. Is the town called Blacksmith, or are you saying you're the blacksmith? You're the innkeeper. Would you like to buy something? Oh, I'm here to hire somebody. Deep wisdom? Fire soul. A hunter. Paladin. Hunter. I think I can only make leather armor? Hello, blacksmith. I can see you're looking for help. I'll be straight with you. I need work, and you need someone to put that gear to use. Your weapons, my expertise, a profitable arrangement for us both.
Copy that.
It's weird. What happened to that other guy, Thunderstrike?
What are you going to do?
Is he still here? Uh-oh. That's weird. I definitely saved after that. Oh well. That's not much time lost. What do you want? You've got a 100% success rate even without anything. Fascinating. I mean, I wasted materials getting that other guy a weapon. Keep. Alright.
Will do.
Axe in 4
Never
days.
cross a dwarf.
That should be no problem.
Unmovable as stone.
Oops. Do I need more gold than that? Surely not. Ah. Alright. I missed. Hey. There we go. Pinch it.
Yep.
Just make this real quick and then we'll be back to where we were.
Unmovable as stone.
Oops. Alright. Oh man. It looks like it should have hit. There we go. Oh. I don't think I leveled up last time, did I? I walk faster now. Or no, wait. I select one. Okay. I think I'd rather walk faster. Alright.
Welcome. Yes.
He wants a shovel. I think I need to go back to the mines, actually.
What are you going to do?
A copper and... I don't need iron. I'm out of copper and I think I'm out of coal. There's coal. I actually really like the way that they do the mining in this game. Having the weak points is it's just nice to kind of keep your mind not focused on
What are you
the fact that you're hitting a rock.
Yep.
I like how chunky the pickaxe looks too. I wonder if you can mess that up. I hope not. Alright, and he wanted a shovel? Oops. Let's not use all the coal I just got.
Right.
Alright. Just need a handle, I think. Is it wood part? I think it was wood part. That guy scared the crap out of me.
Rudy, point and shooty.
Yeah, point and shooty. Aw. I'm sure someone would love a sharp shovel. You also want a shovel?
If you have gold, you have my weapons.
I don't know which one of them was here first.
We will meet again.
I should have haggled. Oh well.
Yep.
wonder if there's a way to just take one of those at a time. Oops.
Right.
Oops. There we go. One more wood part, and then I need to go check on my adventure lady. Maybe it's a good thing I got rid of Thunderstruck. He's not as interesting as the new lady. She has some sort of shadow ability. Also, orcs are just cooler. So, there you go. Alright, let's not forget this. Easily done. You need display racks. Set your finest work out for sale. The customers browse while you hammer away. Should I do a different voice for him? Well, I guess he is the voice, so probably not. The vendor in the village square sells them. Go grab a few racks and turn this workshop into a proper shop. Alright. Starting to make something of myself. Getting an actual display for all the crap I haven't made yet. You are not him. You are also not him. Is it the guy with the statues? No, it's this yellow guy. Sick. Should really go check on my guy, I guess, was it the...
Well,
There we go.
right.
Guy, I already forgot who it was. Good work. I'm guessing this color coding is a difficulty, right? Foliage shards? 90%. How do I... Is there a way to tell what kind of weapon you want?
Try this.
Nobody knows. Ma'am, you are a mystery to me. I would assume, like, a dagger. Or a bow, if you're a hunter. Place weapon rack in shop. Oh. I guess that's a good spot. Still have 8 copper. I've not made a hammer, so let's do that. Just for...
solve.
I should remember the word for that, but I don't right now. For difference. I do like that this one is already a cube.
Here.
Oops. Where does it want me to hit? Ah, a hammer, and it sucks, kind of. What do I need to make a hammer? Cloth and hilt. Simple.
Right. Yep.
I'll go ahead and make her a hammer just because I don't have anything else hunter related.
Finish it.
It doesn't even look like it's made of metal. This looks like a stone hammer. Oops. I kind of wish you picked what to shape it into here. It just kind of feels weird to go to the hammer, then come to here, and then go to the anvil. I called that a hammer, but that's fine. Right. Sword. I think blue is the best I can make for swords right now.
Unmovable as stone. Stone and iron.
There we go. It is nighttime. Where do I go to make armor? Oh, duh. Let's see how... Oh, that's a fancy looking one. And that's still hot. I could have been saving on coal this whole time. This item is not hot enough. Oh no. I don't know how we're adding the cloth to that. Oh. I guess the face piece is cloth? Oh well.
What are you going to do?
That's for our lovely adventurer. So that I can chuck her in more dangerous places. I managed to not hit my head on the rail to the side that time, going to bed. This place does look absolutely like it burned down. I kind of thought this would be the shop that we'd set up in, just considering all the weapon racks and the swords and the... What are these? Okay, I can't actually interact with that. I feel kind of like a madman running around with tongs in my hands, but
Well,
that goes with the job. I can point these at whoever, I guess, and they won't care. You, helmet. And sword. Now go stab something. Ooh, the level. gonna go ahead and get faster leveling just because I'm seeing many things that I want in there. 3 horseshoes as a reward? Iron legs. That's worth it. If you die to a 10% chance, I will be mad at you.
Right.
Alright, I'm back. I'm gonna deal with 5 customers.
If you have gold, you have my weapons.
Oh no, I've got a quest to make armor for her. But I've already made armor for her. I guess I'll have to wait for her to come back with those blueprints. Visit the docks. That's something I can do real quick. New location. Sick. Howdy, bud. What are you? You're a trader. I don't have anything to trade to you. That sounded like an insult. I'm sorry. What do you mean interaction? Oh! What? Why can I throw money into the sea? Alright.
Well. How can I help you? Acknowledged.
Easy money. What? Oh. You cannot click on that with a piece of copper in your hand. That's funny. What? I'm finding new ways to misclick things. Fascinating. We love it. Wonder if I should just keep making shovels, because that's the only thing that people have ordered so far.
Here. Yeah.
I wish I could make blue shovels just so they sold more. Or 4 more? That'd be fun. Sup, bro?
How can I help you?
Ooh. Someone who wants a helmet. I can actually do that for you real quick.
Movable as stone.
I wonder what those two are. A blue one.
Unmovable as stone.
All right. Oops. I didn't actually make the shovel. I just made the head. Need a plank.
Yep. Yep.
How much money do I have? 77. There we go. Need
I
more
have
customers.
the finest weapons in all the land. Barter, haggle, or trade. I have what you need.
Wow.
You disappoint me.
The worst barter in all the lands? Copper side blade. I may be trash talking to people, but I can sure make metal. So there we go.
Nothing a hammer can't solve.
Oops.
Right.
Ah. A particularly bad sword. That's fine. They can't all be winners. Are you going after... Would you like hammer? No?
All right.
Give me sword hilt and some cloth, and that guy wanted a helmet, so let me...
Hop. Hop. Finish him.
Might be a bit of a crap sword, but it can at least be sharp. How'd I get money right then? Oh! Someone bought my hammer. What's this? Oh. I'm getting pretty fast at this. Oops. Just gonna get that going while that's still hot. Just so I'm not wasting more coal.
Ooh, shiny. Right.
The last hit missed, so it's not a blue one. Devastating. Was it not? Huh? I could have swore I bought a landing claw for that. Sure, I can make you a sword, man. Oh, I made the helmet. That's why I don't have it anymore.
If you have gold, you have my weapons. Today is a good day to die. We will meet again.
I kinda wish I could swing it just for funsies. What did he want? He wanted a sword, right? If he didn't, I'll have another sword. Win-win.
Here. Right.
It is somehow easy and hard to line up these hammer swings. There we go. I don't think, nope. Maybe I should stock up on those.
Shiny.
Oops. Let us go ahead and make another one of these. Again, for the coal. I put the coal in there again because I'm stupid. That's fine. The sword is not going to be great, but it will be a sword. There we go again. There we go.
Never forgets, and neither do I.
Hear that? He never forgets. Just like me, I've never forgotten. I bet. Was that last sword a different color than this one?
Unmovable, unrelenting, unshakable.
Just gonna throw that
I
there.
have the finest weapons in all the land.
It doesn't give +5. Does this one give +5?
I have the
This one's not
finest
rare,
weapons
though.
in all the land.
But it gives +5. We're making another one.
Here. Yeah.
Oop, I should quench it.
Initiate a stone.
Here we go. This one's also blue? Or also not blue? That's weird. I thought I did pretty good on that one. Oh well. He can get a blue and be that excited with it. I won't even haggle him. There we go. It's good business. And by good business, I mean, whoops. I mean, I won't have to listen to customers complain, which is the best business. Alright. Let's go check on how she's doing. Is she back? She is back. Or dead. She did it. That means I can make boots. That does sound awesome. However, oh, 90%? Absolutely, I'll send you back out. Did I give you... I gave you a sword. It's night time, I should be sleeping. Snoozing? I left my door open like an animal? Can I? Yep, no fall damage. Wonderful. What is this? Huh? Oh! She just did it overnight! What a hero. It says I need to talk to her and equip her. So she's getting a new pair of boots. Maybe a battle axe if I know how to make that one. Iron. Copper axe hilt, I'm guessing, for this. That's kind of sick, actually. That sounds awesome. Oh, that one wants to be iron, too. Back to the mine. I need more coal anyway. Oh. What does this do? Oh! 800? And you have to be level 5. I hadn't even seen that before now. Straight by the copper, straight by the copper. That's another copper, iron. Ruby? Hold on. There's enchanting? That's sick. Does give intelligence. I wonder if I can make flaming swords and stuff. feel like there was some green glowy thing I saw in the book. Whoa. Ooh. 100 gold in sales. My swords have sold. A sword has sold. Good enough. A gemerald? An emerald? Chaos emerald? Dexterity. Excellent. We love it. Can I do this too fast? Seems like no. Give me this. Alright, time for pants. Ooh, it didn't like that. There we go. Oh, that's still there. Hmm. Fascinating. Oh, it's gone.
Here.
It's back.
Unmovable as stone.
This is now my emotional support piece of coal. It's just going to be with me always. We're fine with that. I had not thought about backpack capacity until right now, and that worries me. Howdy. Copper helmet? Can do. That piece of coal doesn't bother me at all. It's definitely not constantly what I'm thinking about at all times. It's great. We love it. I'm here to give you, pants. Glorious day. The Pebble Pounder? You gotta love the Pebble Pounder. In fact, we have to run the Pebble Pounder. That's either a shovel or a hammer. Either of which sounds nice. Oh, I made the wrong one thinking of a stupid joke. They call her a pebble the way I... On to the next one. Alright, actually make the helmet this time and not the other one. You bum. Ooh, I made a purple. Here, just... There we go. Oh, you gotta love the blues. I like the purple more, I have to say, but the blues are nice. What?
Nothing an axe can't solve. I have the finest weapons in all the land.
Ooh, he gave me a bit of copper. I think that's a grand place to end off for today. Definitely not because the coal is gonna just distract me this whole time, and I'm hoping it's not grating on everyone else who's watching, but we made quite some progress. We have armor now. I have purple pants now. This man wants a hammer. That's my favorite guy, because everyone loves a good hammer. And, next time, we'll make him that hammer. So, it's been nice having you here. Listening to me be an absolute fool and slap metal with a hammer. So, y'all have a great one. And I'll see y'all next time.